Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is for class 3 for the subject of computers. Topic: creating a file, which is covered in chapter 6 starting on page number 70 of your textbook titled KIPS Logics 3 and is being submitted to you on 1st of February year 2021. This voice is of Rupinder Kaur. All the students may now please open page number 70 in front of them. I hope all the students are ready for today's lesson. Let us start with the topic: creating a file. Students, all of you have already worked in MS Paint software. In this software, you create images, fill color in it, and save with any name. This image with any name that you give for saving creates a file in Paint software. In your book, please follow figure 6.3 for creating a file in MS Word. Like in Paint software, you work with different tools, colors, shapes, etc. for creating your files. In the same way, in MS Word, you will be able to create text files. For creating files in MS Word, we are going to follow these steps. Step 1. Open MS Word by selecting Start, then All Programs, then MS Office, and last MS Word 2010. Step 2. A blank page with name Document 1 will appear on the screen. Step 3. Type your text here, for example, your name, class, section, school name, etc. Saving a file. Students, saving a file means to save a file for future use. Whenever you want to access it, want to make any changes in it, you will be able to open from your saved documents. If you do not save your file, you may lose your useful data. Here, we are going to follow steps for saving a file and also follow figure 6.4 present on page number 70. Step 1. Select File, then click Save option. Step 2. Save as dialog box will appear. Step 3. Type any name in the file name text box as shown in figure 6.4. Step 4. Click on Save button. Step 5. The file will be saved with the name given by you. Opening a file or folder. Students, for opening a file or folder, we will use the following methods. Method 1. Students, if your file or folder is present on the desktop, then by double-clicking the particular file or folder, you will be able to open it. Method 2. Children, if you have saved your file at a different location, then the steps are here to open a file or folder. Step 1. Open Windows Explorer. Step 2. Select any drive like C drive, D drive, etc. from the left pane. Step 3. Double-click on the required folder in the right pane. Step 4. The folder will be opened. Step 5. In the same way, you can open file also that you have saved in any drive. Students, all of you may now take 3 minutes break. During break time, you are going to write the shortcut keys for different functions in your notebook after learning from this assignment. And the shortcut keys are as follows. Number 1. To open Windows Explorer, shortcut key is Window key plus E. Number 2. To create a new file, shortcut is Control plus N. Number 3. To delete files or folders permanently, you can press Shift plus Delete key. Number 4. To save a file, press Control plus S. Now pause this lesson for 3 minutes. Students, 3 minutes break is over now. Let us continue with the last topic of your chapter 6, and the topic is renaming a file or folder. Students, if you want to change the existing name of any file or folder, you will follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on the desired file or folder. Step 2. A shortcut menu will appear as shown in figure 6.5 in your book. Step 3. Select Rename option. Step 4. The name of file or folder will be highlighted. Step 5. Type new name for file or folder. Step 6. The name will be changed. Children, now I am ending the lesson here. Please read the lesson carefully and try to solve the back exercise questions present on page number 72-73. That is question A, B, C, D. And also try to solve worksheet 3 and 4 present on page number 75 and 76. Thank you. Creating a file. Saving a file. Opening a file or folder. Renaming a file or folder.